Meaning of inhibit.
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 Inhibit. The word inhibit means to prevent or restrain someone or something from doing a particular action. When something is inhibited, its normal functioning or progress is hindered or slowed down. This can be intentional or unintentional. For example, a medication may be designed to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the body, or social anxiety may inhibit an individual's ability to interact with others. Inhibitions can have both positive and negative effects, but generally refer to the restriction of some kind of activity or behavior.